Mhm. Yan, bumili po tayo ng dalawang pork steak. Today is our food. So, let's put some salt in it. Salt. Oops. Let's put some salt. Both side. Dinry ko muna siya. I dry it. Then now I'm putting some salt. Now make a black pepper. And let's put some black pepper. Just side. Let's put some garlic. Let's put some garlic. I like more spice.
So, did your guardian invite you over, or did she make us anything?
Yeah, she did. She said tomorrow she have a schedule, but she will be home before 12, so I said, okay. Actually, our checkout is 2 or 1. Okay, so we will be there before 2. That would be my steak today. So, init muna natin ang pan. Wait. Ayan, nakasalang ng pan natin. Still waiting for heating. Sabi nila ito daw ang 6, so we'll see. Still not hot. There is it, so let's wait. Mainit na ang ating pan. Yan, mainit na. Natutunaw na agad ang yan. So, make sure it's well hot. Lagyan natin ng butter. Pure butter, Anchor. Okay. Yan. Unwrap natin siya. And then let's put the butter around. And more butter. There you go. Okay. Make it heat. And we will put the steak. You can see it's heating because mas maganda sana to sa mas mainit na pan. But this is all we got. So we wait. First, let's go put the thyme leaves. Naparami yata. But it's okay. I love thyme. Make some spice and herbs in it. There you go. Just spread it. Not that hot, but it's okay. That's not the heat that I am expecting, but that's all they can give. That's all they can give. So this steak will provide their own oil. And let's cover it up. Na my steak, napa-fried na siya. I think this is more great. Woohoo! There it is, there it is. Ayan, naluto na nga at tinikman ko na rin. So, very tender. Ayan. When you cut the the fats, you can see. You can just cut with the pork.
This is all real, Summer. Are you really ready for your life to change?
Oh, I'm so ready. I'm so done with cutting pizza. I smell like pizza every night, and I don't want to do that. I got all 4 yeses. Yeah. Don't cry. Don't cry. You're gonna make
I'm still making the vegetables. So, yung sabaw po nito is yung sabaw ng chicken namin kahapon. Yan. So, already marinated, seasoned, well seasoned. So, no more additional. But the vegetable, it is, and some Bangus Bicol Express. Yan. Yan, mix.
Now this is a milkfish with cabbage, beans, carrots, and this milkfish has been soaked in a coconut oil or coconut milk, and it's really delicious. It's got a little spicy to it. And then Jen's got her pork there.
Pork steak and some vegetables. There's more vegetable here in the still boiling. They need more cooking, so we can eat again later. Okay, I think this one is good. Let's turn it up. Let's eat the meal.
Yeah,